Good morning, students. In previous classes, we had seen story of chapter 7, and we had also done vocabulary and question answers. In this video, we'll see other parts like vocabulary, gerunds, and adjectives of quantity, and speaking, pronunciation, like that. Okay, so first question is sobriquets. Okay, sobriquets are special names given to special people. Okay, there are some special people and some special names are given to them, like you have seen that Florence Nightingale was called the lady with the lamp. Similarly, it is asking what Gandhiji was called. So Gandhiji was called Bapu, or father of nation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was called Iron Man of India, because he had united all the princely states of India. Britishers he had given and 3 chance to all the states of India: either join Pakistan, either join India, or either you make your own country. Okay, you make your own country, either join Pakistan or India. So Sardar Vallabhbhai approached each provinces, like there were more than 500 provinces, and he approached them and he united all of them. So he was called Iron Man of India. Subhash Chandra Bose was called Netaji. Jawaharlal Nehru was called Chachaji because he loved children. And Sarojini Naidu and children called him Chachaji. Okay, and Sarojini Naidu was called Nightingale of India. Okay, Sarojini Naidu was famous freedom fighter and she was also famous singer. Okay, so Nightingale is a bird which lives in mostly in desert, and it sings very well. Like that, Sarojini Naidu was very famous singer. Now next question is write a word similar in meaning. Okay, same meanings means synonym we have to write. What is the synonym? Same word for stench, it is stink. For profession we say job. What is your profession means what is your job. Ill. Okay, ill means sick or unwell. Honor means respect. Stitch means sew, like you can sewing machine, सिलाई मशीन जो सिलाई करता है, सिलता है. Stitch means सिलना. Noble means good. Choked, we have already seen choked means blocked. And oath means promise. Okay, this is asking from here. Okay, you can see oath, you see like where is it? Choked, here it is choked. Stench. Okay, stench means bad smell. It is asking from here. Next, choose the correct meaning of the phrase. Okay, what are phrases? Phrases are two words. Okay, first will be either verb or pronoun. Okay, pronoun, verb, like noun, pronoun, they are made from 2 words. You can see chikungunya broke out. What is the meaning of broke out? Broke out means started, spread. Okay, give out means emit. Made up means decided. I have made my mind means made mind means I have decided in my mind. Decided. Made up means decided in my mind. Never give up. Give up means छोड़ देना, हार मान लेना, means leave. Okay, we said never give up. Never give up hope. He looks after his old parents. Look after means care, take care. Okay, so there are some phrases. It is very important. In other classes you will also see phrases. If you have time, search in Google about some phrases. Okay, learn about more 20 to 30 phrases, their meanings. It will be very helpful to you. Okay, next is gerund. What is gerund? Something words ending in ing are used as nouns. Okay, जब कोई ing से खत्म होने वाला वर्ड सबसे सामने में यूज हो नाउन के रूप में, तो उसको बोलेंगे जेरेंड. हियर यू कैन सी swimming is a good exercise, means swimming here we are using as noun. so noun के रूप में यूज हो रहा है ये वर्ब जो, और यहाँ पे सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड जेरेंड. टीचिंग इज अ नोबल प्रोफेशन. ओके, टीच is a verb, like he's teaching, he was teaching, like, but teaching we are not using here or here, we are using in front as a noun, so it will be called gerund. Sing, for sing it will become singing, smoke it will become smoking, plan it will become planning, and shop it will become shopping. Okay, when these verbs are used in front, it acts as noun and we add ing. Okay, they are very important. Next is adjectives of quantity. We have already discussed in grammar. There are two types of adjectives: adjectives of quantity and adjectives of quality. Okay, quality we have seen, like size, shape, color. You can see in grammar part. Here quantity, many means a large number, much means a large amount, a lot means a large amount, a few means number. Okay, number can be counted, amount cannot be counted. Little means again amount cannot be counted, so it is used for uncountable, something which cannot count. Any means a small, a large amount of something that you may or may not be there. Any is used for negative things and some is used for positive things. We'll see. I have a lot of work to do. Work cannot be counted. Okay, you don't know how many time it will take, so it is a lot of. He does not have much work, will not say many. Okay, much work, बहुत सारा काम है उसके पास, बहुत सारा मतलब उसको नहीं काउंट कर सके थे. Next, give me some chocolate you can count, so it is some chocolate. A few is also used for countable, but for chocolate we generally use some. There is some milk in the jug. Okay, अब few किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? Few is used for countable, but some can be used for countable or uncountable both. some का यूज काउंट के लिए भी कर सकते हैं और अनकाउंट के लिए भी. I have already told in grammar chapter. But a few is also are only used for uncountable, sorry, countable, सिर्फ countable के लिए. Here I will be ready in a few minutes. Here you can see a little is used for uncountable, something we cannot count, but minutes you can count. Okay, time you cannot count, but minute or hour you can count. You can say 1 minute, 2 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, but you cannot say one time, 2 time, like that. I will work for 1 time, like that. So I need a little help. Again, a help cannot be counted. I have met him many times. Okay, like 1 times, 2 times. Here you can count. Much is used for uncountable. Here a lot of food. Okay, a lot of food is wasted at weddings. There are not any. Any is used for negative, like here you can see there are not any good books in this library. Similarly, there are not any person here, there are not any girl here, there are not any biscuits. Okay, like that. There are not much traffic on the road. Okay, much is used for something which you cannot count. Okay, traffic you cannot count. In traffic there are lots of people, you cannot count traffic. And many is used for countable. Here you can see many. Where was many? Here, many times, 2 times, 3 times. A lot cannot be counted. Much is used for something you cannot count. Similarly, some you can countable and countable both. Here you can see some is all only used here 1 times. Okay, there is no question for sum here, only one question. There are not many questions for sum here, only one question. Now next question is pronunciation. Okay, soldier, you will say it soldier or soldier. You will use j or da. So students, here you will use j, like soldier. You will not say soldier. Here you will say patient or patent. You will use t or sa, patient or patent. So we use sa. t हम दोनों चीज में यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक 10. हियर वी डोंट से सेन, वी से 10, बट हियर वी से स. ओके, टी को स भी बोल सकते हैं, ट भी बोल सकते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ड. हियर यू कैन सी विल नॉट से फाउंडेटन. ओके, विल नॉट से फाउंडेटन, हियर विल से फाउंडेशन. टी इज ऑल्सो यूज एज स और ट. हियर वी से डॉक्टर और डॉक्टर. सो वी से doctor. Students, sa can also be used as sa. C can also be used as sa. Here you can see cell. Okay, like cell phone. Here c is used as sa. Okay, we say cell. Okay, we don't say cal. We say cell phone, not cal phone. So here we are using c as sa. Okay, pronunciation. Here we say courage, g or j. Courage or courage. Okay, here we are using as g. Okay. Next is speaking skill. Here are some expressions used when we want to assure someone or making something making them feel better. Okay, अगर आपको किसी को feel better के लिए आपको यूज करना है तो कैसे यूज करोगे? सपोज योर फ्रेंड लुक्स अपसेट. ओके, अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहे तो आप क्या बोलोगे उसको अच्छे फील कराने के लिए? इज एवरीथिंग ओके? योर फ्रेंड इज सिक, व्हाट विल से? टेक केयर. ओके, योर फ्रेंड टेल्स यू that his mother is unwell, how will you say to feel him better? You say don't worry, everything will be better, my friend. Your friend has not completed his notes and he is very worried. Okay, he is very upset. So what you say to feel him or her better? You say don't worry. Your friend has injury and he is not feeling better. So what you say? Take care, you will be fine. Okay, take care, you will be fine. This is your homework, students. Have you seen nurses in hospitals? Write few sentences about them. Okay, so write 5 sentences about them. 1 2 3 4 5. Write 5 sentences. What they do. Okay, like what they do, what they wear, how they take care of patients. Okay, right, fill all this space. Okay, next is collect some sobriquets given to 10 famous people. So I have already explained you sobriquets of 5 people here, and here I have written sobriquet of 5 more people. Like Rabindranath Tagore was called Gurudev, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was called Lokmanya Tilak, Vikram Sarabhai was called father of Indian space, APJ Abdul Kalam was called missile man of India, and Salim Ali was famous birdman. Okay, bird watcher. He knew different types of birds, so he was called birdman of India. Okay, here 5 here, 5 here. Okay, I will share name of some more people. Okay students, see you in next video.